My name is Agata Nielsen. I'm originally from Poland, but I'm living in London. I want to improve my English pronunciation so I can play a wider variety of roles. It will be really useful to be able to put on an RP accent if needed.
I'm
good. Polish. Actress.
Let's look at during. Good, so let's slow down the r sound. During. The next few. Good, so that's a back vowel. So that's like the next few months. Good. Ling.
Feeling. Today.
Good.
There's a lot of mouth changing.
It is. It's a lot of muscle memory.
I know. I really found it useful when you were just sort of talking to me where I should relax my mouth, where I should open it, and how the words connect. And it all makes perfect sense how you explain it. And also like knowing that I have problem with L, that I make them too dark when they should be lighter.
Start. Good.
Man.
Yes.
I'll just go for exceed. Connoisseur. I'd always be like, do you know what I mean?